Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 4, and today's topic is formation of nouns. You have already read about this in book 1 and as well as in book 2. Again, we have met with this topic. Here, see, it is written from admire, it has become admiration. From begin, this is a verb, it has become beginning as a noun. Same compose, composition, depart, departure, describe, description, divide, division, exist, existence, inform, information, intend, intention, invent, invention, invite, invitation, laugh, laughter, lose, loss, move, movement, perform, performance, permit, permission, persuade, persuasion, please, pleasure, rebel, rebellion, serve, service, suggest, suggestion, and treat, treatment. So, after this there are some exercises, actually 2 exercises are here, and all the answers are based on actually this part. See, first number exercise, a number exercise, here it is written, write the missing nouns that are formed from the verbs in bold type. See, 1 number, a clever dash invent, this is a verb, its noun is, see here, invention. So, we will put here invention. Helpful dash, here it is inform, its noun is information, see. So, we will put here information. Three number, hearty dash, here it is laugh, it will be laughter. See, in this place it is written laugh, laughter. So, write it here, laughter. 4 number, a brilliant dash, perform is here, its noun is performance. See, in this place it is written performance. So, in this place you will put it. A serious dash, lose, its noun is loss. See, this one. So, we will write here LOSS. 6 number, faithful dash, serve, its noun is service. So, we will write here service. 7 number, simple dash, here it is divide, its noun is division. See, divide, division. 8 number, a good dash, here it is begin, its noun is, see, in this place beginning, we will write here beginning. See, BEGINNING, beginning. 9 number, a life of dash, here it is please, its noun is pleasure. 10 number, an interesting dash, here suggest, its noun is suggestion. See, in this place it is written, we will write here suggestion. Now, B number exercise, it is the same like before. Here in this place we have found phrase, but here we have found sentences and there is a blank, we have to complete it or we have to fill the blank. How? By the noun. Here bold type of word is a verb, we have to make its noun and then we will put in the blank. So, let us start. First one, the injured man found the list very painful. Here it is move, we have to make its noun, moves, noun is movement. See here, if you face any confusion, you can see from this place, see move, movement. Okay. So, we will put here movement. It is our dash to visit Greece next year. Intend is the word, intends, noun is intention. See, in this place it is written intent, intention. Let us put it here, intention. 3 number, bad weather delayed the dash of the plane. Here depart, its noun is departure, and after that you can check it from this place. See, here it is depart and its noun is departure. So fill the blanks with this noun. Here it is departure. Alan received dash to leave school early. Here permit, what we will do? We will make its noun. Permits noun is permission. Here see it is written permit, permission. So we will write here what? We will write here permission. The boy wrote an excellent dash about dogs. Here it is compose. We will make its noun, that is composition. See, in this place it is written compose, composition. So now let's put it in the blank. Here it will be composition. 6 number, I have a deep dash for the artist's work. The bold type of word is admire. Its noun is admiration. So here we will put admiration. A hermit leads a very lonely dash. Here it is exist. Its noun is existence. We will put here existence. So after that, if you face any problem or any confusion, see in this place you will get it exist, existence. So now next number, what is the next number? Next one is 8. Many were killed in the dash against the government. Here it is rebel, its noun is rebellion. See here in this place it is written rebel, rebellion. Now write the word in the blank. What word or which word? You will write the noun form of rebel, that is rebellion. REBELLION, rebellion. Now Treasure Island contains a splendid dash of Long John Silver. Here describe, its noun is description. So let's put it here, description. 10 number, after a little dash Simon agreed to lend the boys his new football. Bold word is persuade. We have to make its noun. The noun form of persuade is persuasion. If you want to know the spelling, so you can see from this place, this is persuade and its noun form is persuasion. So write it in the blank, persuasion. Persuasion. 11 number, the accident victim needed expert medical dash. Here treat, and it will be treatment. We know, we are all familiar with this word, that is treatment. Next one, last one actually, this one, the dash arrived in this morning post. Here the bold word is invite, its noun is invitation. You know, everybody will know its spelling. After that you can see from this place invite, invitation. So let's put it in the blank. Here it is invitation. Hope you have understood today's topic. Today we have done Junior English Book 3, page number 4, and today's topic is nouns formation. Next day we will do page number 5, and there the topic is nouns number. Bye for today.